hand in because I'm dragging you along. Look at the penguins on the rocks there.
Penguin! Hey guys!
Don't scare them. So cute, aren't they? They're all going to fly off the top of the... Look up there. I see all them. They're all going to dive bomb us in a minute. Right, we're going in the cave here. You ready for this? Alright, we'll see you on the other side.
Did you hear the echoes?
We did. This is the best cave ever. Enjoy.
Yes.
Oh my.
We're going to go through the mountain and come out the other side.
Go! Ah!
Right, stop echoing.
Why?
It's more peaceful when you're not shouting. How good's that?
The last cave was better.
I love this one.
Why does that kind of look like a bird? That outline. That.
What?
Why does it kind of look like a bird?
Yeah.
The outline. You know what I mean?
Yeah. There they are. Hello!
I like the other cave better.
Right, paddle through there, Steve. You can have a rest on the other side. You go first, then we can look after you. You got your skeg down there. You'd be looking worried.
Can I do it?
Hey?
Can I do it?
Go where? Paddle for it.
Oh my god. Never mind.
This is where all the birds live. I'll pull away a little bit. Hey?
Oh, about it. Not anymore.
I'm gonna have a little rest here. How was that? What? Bad. Alright, I'm gonna go up there and turn around and look back. It's amazing.
Can we jump off to the top of there?
Yeah. Steve, you know my friend Steve, he's been to the top of that.
How do you even get to the top?